What's good? What's good? What's good? Kings of Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live. Yo, right now I'm in the middle of back testing. So I decided, why not film it? So I'm in the middle of back testing right now. Um, I'm on GBP USD. I'm just going around on the chart. I picked a random date. I do this like every morning, on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Just back testing my strategy and stuff. But right now, I lost 2 trades already. Lost 2 and won 2. So I'm up $500 right now. So my starting balance is $100,000, which I have a funded account, actual funded account with $100,000. So I back test with that shit. And that's how I back test. I keep track of the calculator right here. And yeah, we're okay, cracking right now. All right. So now I'll continue with my shit. So around the 4-hour. He just broke structure. Lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Broke structure right there with the retest. Broke structure right there with the retest. Could continue down, touch 20 MA. We'll see. This looks promising. This actually looks promising. See that cross? See that? It's not ready. It's not ready. It's trying to get ready. I see that. I see exhaustion to the downside. Exhaustion to the downside. So you know what? I like entering on the 5-minute, get more. What's that? 28 pip stop. One pip stop. Go for my 3-1. Now, every time I get 1R, I take $1,000 off. I mean, not 1,000. Every time I get 1R, I take $500 off. So I take half the trade off, and I keep the other trade running with great stop loss, break even, and probably a trailing stop too. Depends on the situation. But let's see what we got here. Yeah. So we got a continuation up. Did we hit our 1R? We did hit our 1R. So at that point, I would have took $500 off. So I'm plus 500. So I'm now up $1,000 right now total. Would I have my SL to break even right now? Almost there. Son of a bitch. There you go. Let's move this line. I don't know what with that line. Let's see. All right, so I'm putting my SL there at that point. So if it comes back down, I just collect $1,000 right there. Not $1,000. I changed this risk because I did take that half off. So at that point, all right. So it comes back again. I just collect the other 500 and I'll be out with my day. All right. And if it goes back up, I collect the 1,500. Win-win situation. Yep. $500 taken off. But if I stayed in that, yeah, I would have hit it. Look at that. Stayed in that, but I had to deal with some drawdown. It would hit my break even anyway, but it would have hit it anyway. Good trade, but hey, whatever. collect 500. So now Trello is 1500 right there. And we gotta keep it moving. Now I usually go practice until I reach $10,000, and that's how I complete my training. Because I like doing that because if anybody knows out there, the FDMO challenge and stuff like that is like $10,000. So I do that constantly. So, and just gets me practice for that too. All right. All right. Let's find our new situation now. Let's find something different. Okay, we have this break of structure. We have consolidation right there on the 4 hour. Yeah. Consolidation right here on the 4 hour. Breaking out that consolidation right now. So 1 hour. I also see this consolidation right here. So a box in time, in between the box, that kind of situation. Box within the box. So we have that. So I'm going to break it down to the 5 minute. You have our 20 MA and 50 MA going up, crossing 50 MA, crossing the 200 MA. Boom. I have this thing, my baby crossing right here. So I'll be crossing soon. So we should get a pullback. Should get a pill. Yeah, you got that pullback. Now, I'll tell you the truth. I would be entering on that pullback. But for the sake of the video, I don't want to cheat. So, but that is going up. Yeah. Son of a bitch. What the fuck happened? All right. Yes, son of a bitch. I would have totally be there on that. I would have had like a nice little buy limit order right there, but all good. Missing out on that trade. So we had that breakout. You have this retest that's coming up soon, possibly. Yeah, right there at the retest. Now, do I want to enter again? Do we have our lines across? We do have this 1000 MA supporting us. And you have the confluence with the 200 MA supporting us. I'll take this risk. I'm looking for a good stop. I don't see it. You know what? Oh, man. We're at the edge of the box right there. It's a nice, I like that wick, though. You know what? Fuck it. Let me change this back to our original profit size risk. I want that 3-to-1 ratio. And I do the same thing. I take half off at 1R, man. That's how you make money. It's not about hitting your targets all the time. It's about collecting money, pulling the money out of the markets. Yep. So, I would have hit that 1R. So plus 500 for me. SL to break even, right? So the rest remaining, we're collecting up to R right now. Collecting. Put that SL to break even. Collecting. Not losing any more money on this trade. Collecting. Doesn't matter if it goes up or down. I still win. Collecting. Right? All right. Continue. Ooh. Give me that. Give me that, motherfucker. All right. Boom. 1,500 extra. Right? So that'd be 1508. So plus 1508, 03 cents. So we're up. Nice 3R on this account right here. You know, back testing and shit. So nice solid trade. What we saw, I like that wick situation that we saw, right? Nice solid wick we had. We had this 20 MA, and we had the 20 MA right there along with the wick. Zero drawdown, right? 20 MA with the wick. We had the entry. We took the risk on that entry because we had that nice pullback phase. We had the 1000 MA. The 1000. A lot of people don't use the 1000 MA. Don't even know what the 1000 MA is. But 1000 MA is powerful shit. That's like a heavy duty support resistance zone. I'm the only one that I know that trades with the 1000 MA, right, on my charts. So that purple line is heavy. I see that purple line right there. It's like a peace of mind. Like it's like, oh, that I know support is there. I know heavy duty support's there. Let's enter that motherfucker on the 5 minute, right? And then we had the confluence with the 200 MA right there on the 15 minute. So when you have 5 minute, when you have a 5 minute 1000 MA with 200 MA together, basically at the same point, just on different time frame of charts, but at the same area, boom, heavy support right there. It's gonna go up to the moon, and look, this probably continues all the way up. Yep, get the fuck out of here. But 3 to 1 is my shit. But yeah, always collect the 500, put the SL to break even, and then you collect the rest. And you know you're only taking 2R, but hey, it's better than not losing the trade, not losing your money, because I see so many people that wait for that 3R. They get close, right? And then it goes shooting right back down. Of course, and then it hits their break even or something like that. If they're smart, they will have to SL in the profit zone. But sometimes it's just you be up 2R and then you hit break even. It's like you didn't win nothing on that trade. At least take something. At least take that half off, $500. And if I'm telling you, $500, $500 a week. Yeah, I mean $500 every day. It's it's like looking at $2,500 a week. And if you want to do like a month, like 500, if you collect $500 a day in a month, that's $15,000. That's $15,000. Like, take that shit, man. But that's a little tip for FDMO challenges out there. Like, don't wait for the 3R all the time, or the 6R, whatever like that. Take the sum off, put your SL to break even, and keep on going. All right, so let's go on to the next trade. Good practice right now. We're up 3R. We're 3,500. I like to get all the way to 10,000. Probably not that I have time for this video because I can only have 20 minutes on this video, but whatever. We're in profit. Let's continue. So I'm going to delete the shit because I don't need the shit anymore. Excuse me. Go to the 4-hour. Let's come back to this area right here. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. All right. So I'm looking at this area. I'm looking for a nice engulfing. Touch this area. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, slow the fuck down. All right. Okay, I see that wick. This area right here. Because I'm telling you, it's like my demand zone right here. All right. One more candle. Yeah, that's what I thought. Some bitch trying to trick me. Tricks are for kids, bitch. Alright, got this area. Is that bearish engulfing that I see? Yeah, it is a bearish engulfing I see. I don't see my cross though on the 5 minute. So we gotta wait a little bit more. Wait a little bit, yeah, wait a little bit more. Just little another engulfing. Do I see my cross on the 5 minute? No, I don't see my cross on the 5 minute. So we gotta wait a little more. Wait a little more. Oh, and we got this engulfing. Do I see my cross on the 5 minute? Yes, I see my cross on the 5 minute. So guess what we're gonna do now? Guess what we're gonna do now, buddy? Guess what we're gonna do now? Guess what we're gonna do now? I don't like that fucking stop loss though. This thing can fucking. I'm putting myself in a little bit of danger here, but hey, we got concrete risk. Let's take this fucking risk. I see this 1000 MA on the 5 minute though. I'm not liking that, and the 200. Not like that either. We're getting there 301. Wicking. Fuck you. Sometimes market, man. Alright, we see that cross. Yeah, the 5 minute. Yeah, the edge of the seat right there. We have this thing trying to cross. Come on. Come on now. It's looking ugly. I don't want to go on the hour because I don't want to be cheating. I know how trading really works. This thing looks ugly. I'd be quite honest with you. But what are we up? Please? 400, 500. Oh yeah. Close to my fucking 1 hour. Come on, drop a little bit lower. Come on, lower. Yeah, like that. Son of a bitch. Yeah, that's 1 hour. All right, so that's all the break even. That's all the break even. Take our 500. We take our 500. What? 4R, right? That's all the break even. I don't care what the fuck happens to this trade now, right? We don't give a fuck what happens to this trade now. Why? We waited. We took the risk. We waited, right? And now we're going to play that. All right, break even. Yeah. Yeah. Break even. But up. We broke even, but what we up? Exactly, man. Take your fucking profits. All right, this video is about to be closing out. I'm not continue on with my back testing for the day till I get to 10R. But yeah, man, take notes of what I just showed you in this video. Hit me up if you want to use learn how to use the 1000 AMAs, how I use it. I do the cross thing, but I do the support and resistance thing, but I follow market structure, bro. I don't do cross here or I'm entering. No. Market structure is motherfucking king. Fuck all the indicators. Market structure is king. But understand that there's levels to the shit. And Trade Lord out. Enjoy.